What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and today I'm going to show you how I turned the most disgusting DS I could find into this beautiful masterpiece. I've been on this kick of wanting to fix old Nintendo stuff, recollect the things that I sold off when I was younger and more stupid, things that I used to play all the time like the DS, the Game Boy, all those different Nintendo consoles that I grew up with, and some that were even before my time. So I've been scouring sites like eBay and Mercari, and I ended up finding this disgusting pink DS Lite for $10. I mean, just look at it. It looks like it was a chew toy for a dog. It's absolutely disgusting. Surprisingly, this thing actually worked straight out of the gate. It turned on and worked totally fine. It read games, everything. Only thing that was really broken functionally was the touchpad. But the entire system still works. You can play all the games. You just can't use the touchpad as a normal touchpad, but that's a $4 fix. And just to be clear, if you were looking for a how-to guide on how to fix this, this is not a how-to video. I'm just showing you what I did to fix this up in a little time-lapse sort of way. So let's get into it.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
And sadly, that's where my camera died, but as you can see right here, we have the finished product working perfectly fine. I'm still waiting on the replacement digitizer so I can get that touchscreen working again, but I can play Pokemon Platinum totally fine without it. But I think I did an amazing job on this. Thankfully, everything was pretty much working fine, and I definitely got a good deal on a $10 Nintendo DS Lite. I'll probably buy more in the future to fix up and sell off and show you guys on the channel, but this is the only DS that I actually have that's fully working and not torn in half. If you don't know what I'm talking about by that, I made a Game Boy macro, which is just this bottom half working as a Game Boy. It's a pretty cool thing to do, especially if you have a broken top screen, and I used a method that required no soldering. So if you'd like to watch that, I'll link it towards the end of the video in the cards, but that's it for me for now. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments down below. Oh yeah, and you can hit this little bell icon if you want to get notifications every time I post a video. And you probably only heard about that a million times from other YouTubers, but you don't have to hit it. Just if you want 10 years of good luck, you might want to hit it. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys. That was my first unscripted video in a while, so hopefully it turned out good.